In this workshop, I'm going to show you a simple tool you can use to block advertising on the web and stop many sites from collecting data about you. You might be surprised how much you're being watched online. Most websites collect data about you when you visit them. For example, CNN's site tracks you and shares data with close to 40 other websites, mostly without you knowing. Some of this data is used to make websites more interactive or useful. Some is used to build a profile about you for targeted advertising, and some is sold to other data collectors. Free open source tools like uBlock Origin can help you monitor and block data collection, advertising, and malicious websites. This is one of the most important tools you can add to your web browser, and I'm going to help you get it set up. To get the uBlock Origin tool, access ublockorigin.com in your web browser. The tool is supported by Chrome, Firefox, Microsoft Edge, and Opera. A quick warning, there's an old version of the tool, simply called uBlock, that is not maintained anymore, so be sure you're accessing uBlock Origin. To install the tool, select the Get uBlock Origin button in the middle of the page near the top. The next screen will vary depending on your web browser, but you'll generally select a button labeled Add or Install, and then follow the prompts in your web browser. When installed, uBlock Origin appears in the web browser menu as a small shield with a UO symbol. It will begin blocking ads and trackers for you right away. To demonstrate, I'll go to cnn.com. The number that overlays the uBlock icon indicates the number of trackers and elements the tool has blocked, more than 40 here. But the page now has no advertising on it, and a large number of sites have been stopped from gathering information about me. To turn off blocking for a site, perhaps because the blocking makes the site unusable, or because it's a site you trust, select the uBlock icon and then select the large circular Power button. You'll be prompted to reload the page. If I do this for CNN and reload it, all of the ads appear again. This is all you need to know for the basics of uBlock Origin. For finer control, you can select the More button in the bottom of the window and use the row of buttons to enable or disable pop-up windows, large media files, cosmetic filtering, remotely hosted fonts, and JavaScript. There are other settings to explore by selecting the gear icon. In addition to general settings, there is a tab for filter lists, where you can choose what types of content you would like the tool to block. The team at privacyguides.org recommends selecting all of the items under ads, privacy, and malware domains. The annoyances and multi-purpose lists can also be enabled, but they might break the features or interactivity on some of the websites you visit. In the regions section, you will also find lists dedicated to specific languages, such as French. Finally, on the Support tab, you'll find links to full documentation and a Reddit community that can offer support for uBlock Origin. Advanced users of the tool can customize many things, and there are features this workshop doesn't cover, but this will get you set up to block a large amount of unwanted advertising and tracking online.